Hi everybody, it's Jennifer.
And Claire.
We were gifted 3D printed animals. It's an animal party. These are so cool because they are articulated. So that means that they move around like this. Look how cute this little fox is. The details are adorable. Claire has a little owl. We have a little swimming goldfish. And there is the, ooh, look at those little wings. What do I have here? Oh my gosh, a duck. So cute. And we have a bat. Okay. A chameleon, purple chameleon.
A bee.
A bee. Oh, tweet, tweet. It's a little bird with those cute little wings.
I think
A raccoon.
this might be a dolphin or a shark.
Oh, yes, it looks like that. Oh my goodness, there you go. Snail. Another cute little bird.
A Highland cow.
Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this little guy. A little koala. It's like they're kind of bobbleheadish with the articulation.
A triceratops.
And another little fox. I like that you get some doubles. Then there's no fighting.
Another dinosaur.
What is this? I'm not quite sure what that animal is.
That might be a capybara.
Capybara. And then some cute little cats. So many. The colors on these are gorgeous. Look at the turtle. The details are so cute on these little feet.
A shark.
A shark.
And another triceratops.
Another shark.
That might be a dolphin.
Maybe a dolphin. Look at this. Killer whale. Ooh, orca. Oh, bunny love. Bunny.
It looks like a dragon.
Ooh, that is super cool. Look at all the details on the back of that. Love it. Oh, look at the puppies. My goodness. Look at the pup.
The dachshund.
Giraffe.
Hippo. The hippo's cute.
The hippo is cute. Oh, Manta.
A horse. Another dinosaur. Or what is this called?
Stegosaurus.
A stegosaurus.
And a duck. And I don't know what that is. Another dinosaur. So these are absolutely adorable. These would be great for teachers' prize boxes, great for party favors, or just for some fun in the summer. You could make a bunch of little dioramas and setups, which was Claire's favorite thing to do when she was a little girl. So definitely put these in your cart. They are so much fun. Highly recommend.